Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love, and love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of. Join us on this journey, come along for the ride.
Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. And today I'm making a cake, and it's a confetti cake. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my oil in my bowl and set this to the side. Then I'm going to put in my eggs. That's 3 eggs. And then I'm going to put in my milk, and I'm going to beat this till it's, let's see if I can say that word, frothy, frothy. Okay, so now then I'm going to put in my cake mix. Okay, I think that is beat up good enough. Make sure that there's no dry cake mix on the bottom. Okay, so now then I'm going to put it in my 9 by 13 inch sprayed pan. Okay, and today I'm using the King Arthur gluten-free confetti cake mix. And so I'm going to be cooking this at 350 degrees for about, let's see, 26 to 28 minutes. I'll be keeping my eye on it, and then I'll be back. Okay. My cake just got done, and it smells good, doesn't it, Calvin?
It looks great.
Okay, I'm going to let it cool off for about an hour, and then I'm going to come back and do the taste test. And I don't know if Calvin is going to do it with me or not, but he says he is. He's shaking his head, so I guess he's really wanting to. So when we come back, I'll put the icing on it. The way I made my icing was I just put some strawberries and cream together with a little sugar, and we're just going to have that on it for our icing on our cake today. And I've already got that made up. We're going to put a little whipped cream on it. That's how Kevin said he wanted his. Okay, so I'll be back in about an hour. Okay, I'm back now, and this cake has cooled off, so I'm about ready to get a piece of it, aren't you, Calvin?
I sure am.
Okay, it came out pretty good. That first piece. All right. Okay, because I'm going to move the cake out of the way so I can put some of this icing on it. This is just strawberries with cream and maybe about 3 tablespoons of sugar. And this is monk fruit that I put in it. That's the kind of sweetener that I used. You can use regular sugar if you want to. Just put some. Okay, Kevin, you can come over here and do a taste test now, and you can get whichever one you want.
Okay, sounds good to me. I might want them both. I'll take this piece here.
Okay.
It sure looks good, Marie.
It's very delicious.
Oh, you did great on that, Marie.
It's very good, isn't it? For a very easy dessert, I think if y'all make this, you'll like it. You can use any cake mix that you want. We just happened to use a gluten-free confetti cake because that was all that we had here. And I was wanting to make a special cake for Calvin. But this would go good with just whatever cake mix you want to use. You don't have to use gluten-free. And this is a good little dessert for a person that's gluten-free in it.
Absolutely. I believe even if you wouldn't gluten-free, I think you'd like this one.
Yes.
This is definitely good, especially with those strawberries and Cool Whip on top there.
And this is a fast and easy dessert. And so I guess, Kevin, if you don't have anything else to say, we'll close our video out.
Okay, sounds good to me. That way I can go sit down and eat the rest of this.
Okay, so y'all do what you love and love what you do. And I will see you on the next video. And we're going to go and eat this easy, good cake. Bye.